Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how to buy Safemoon on Coinbase wallet. But first, if you are new in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. So now, to start, go to your web browser and then search for how to buy Safemoon on Coinbase wallet. Now, after that, you'll see these following options. But what you're going to do is to scroll down and select this option from Coinbase. So now from here, we can see the step-by-step process on how we can buy Safemoon on Coinbase. So the first one is to download Coinbase wallet. And then you have to choose a Coinbase wallet username. After that, you have to securely store your recovery phrase. And then after that, just follow the simple steps on your screen. And then lastly, use your ETH to buy Safemoon in Trade tab. So now what you're going to do is to sign up your account. That's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe